iPhone part, any part of it, whether the camera, whether any screen or anything, I mean your iPhone, if you change any part of it, check this so that you get to see whether the part that you've changed is compatible with your iPhone or not, so that you get to know the best solution to it. So first we are going to check to see yours. For mine, this is the issue that I'm facing. Okay, so when I open camera, okay, when I open camera from here, then I go to portrait. When I go to portrait, okay, so when I go to portrait, this is 3x, this is times 3, but when I tap on it to change to times 1 right here, this is what is happening, if you can see. So this is an issue after fixing a new camera for my iPhone. Okay, yes, new camera. So this new camera is giving me issue, and then this is the best way to solve it. So like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform. So what you're going to do right here is just simple steps. First, go to settings, go to your phone settings. When you come to your phone settings right here, then you scroll down, okay, and then you go to general. When you tap on general, you come here, you scroll down a little bit, simply tap on about. When you tap on about, scroll down a little bit and look for part and service history. Some of you, the moment you open settings, you will see it, but if you don't see it right there, this is the steps that you are going to follow. And then when you come here, you will see configuration available, and then you will see your camera or the issue that is available for you to work on it. Yes, and then you tap on restart and finish repair. So your phone will restart based on the issue. That will determine the step that you go about it. Okay, so mine is the camera, and then I will need to restart my device for the repair to happen. That is the step that I'm going through. So I'll tap on restart, and then the device will restart itself. So it will take some time. Turn on again, and then make sure you always have internet connection around, whether Wi-Fi or let's say your data turned on. These are the two options for you to be able to download some resources just in case it needs it. Okay, so turn on data and then get Wi-Fi and then restart the device. So when you restart the device, it will show you all this based on the issue of your device. Okay, so as I told you, these steps are just based on the issues. So with based on my issue, I just follow some steps, and then at some point they even told me to do some calibration. It's just a new camera, so I need to calibrate it and all this. So I followed all these steps, and then the problem was solved. So as I said, with you, check based on the problem, that will determine the step that you go through. So if you do it and then you face any issue, let me know. Kindly let me know in the comment section. I like that one, yes, because it may be of different one, but if it is the same camera problem, then follow the steps. Turn off, restart your device, you get some configuration steps, you continue with it, you calibrate your camera, and then you'll be done with it. You'll restart your phone again after everything is done, and then the problem will be solved. So if you face any issue or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. And if it is how you can downgrade your device or upgrade your device, anything concerning iPhone, you can check my profile or in the comment section for the playlist for iPhone to get more tips and tricks. And then I will see you in the next video. Stay alive and bye for now.